Hey fam, so in this video I want to share with you a side hustle that you can literally start immediately after watching this video. Now this is a side hustle that does not require you to have any experience. You can do it from the comfort of your home, from anywhere in the world, and the reason I'm so confident in it is because I've personally tried this side hustle and it's one of those side hustles that actually got me results. Now truthfully speaking, the reason I've said you can make anywhere between $100 to $300 is because the highest I myself ever made with this side hustle was almost $300. Now you can see right here that in 2021, I think it was August, I was paid $245, and this was the highest amount I had ever charged for this. The client was an international client. This method, what I can say is that most of the money that you're going to make will come from local clients. Now quick shout out goes to Kems Jr. who joined the channel as a VIP. Thank you Kems for supporting the channel as a VIP, and thank you very much to each and every one of you that keeps coming back to the channel and supporting the channel. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jones, and on this channel I share content that helps you make money online by simply creating various types of content. The first thing I want you to do is head over to Google and simply search for Google Maps, and from the results just simply click the first link that you get and it will open up Google Maps. Now right here you want to click on the expand side panel if it's not already expanded, and from here you can search for whatever location that you can think of. So for example, let me search for, let's say, Tesla headquarters. Google Maps will give you the information about that particular company. For example, you get the location address, you get the working hours, you get the website, you get the phone number, and a lot of other information. The way we are going to make money all lies on this part right here. This pin actually tells us exactly where the Tesla offices are. If someone, they want maybe to go to the Tesla offices, if they simply ask Google Maps for direction, it will use this red pin to actually direct them exactly where the offices are. So in order for us to make money with Google Maps, the first method we're going to use is by simply adding pins for businesses on Google Maps. And to do that, you're going to need an account known as a Google Business Profile. Now most people are not aware, but you already have access to that too. So inside your email, when you click these dots right here, you will see right here where it says Business Profile Manager. Now if let's say you are on phone using Google Chrome and simply search for Business Profile Manager. So I'm just going to click right here. Now with Google Business Profile Manager, you are able to add any business location and add all the necessary details such as their website address. So once you are logged into Google Business Profile Manager, this is the tool that will enable you to add those pins to Google Maps. Now you can see right here some of the businesses that I helped to add their pin to Google Maps. Now I have multiple businesses that I had added to Google Maps, and you can also even give access to others to actually manage those pins for other businesses. So here to add that business, all you have to do is click right here where it says add business. Now here you can choose to add single business or import businesses. Now for some of you that might be wondering if it's only businesses that you can add, in the eyes of Google, even if let's say you are adding a church is considered a business location. So all you have to do is click right here where it says add single business. Here you just need to type in a name. So I'm going to add in a school, and here you just choose the business category. Now you just need to start typing. For example, you can just type school right here, and you can say school center, schoolhouse, and the like. So I'm just going to go with schoolhouse right here and simply click next. Now here they'll ask you, do you want to add a location customers can visit? Now this is important. When you choose no, it means you're not adding the pin to Google Maps. Now remember, that's the service we are offering, to add the pins. So you need to choose yes right here and click next. So the next thing is to simply enter the actual address for that location. And the good thing with this is that the location address and all these details, you are going to get them from the actual business owner. So you just need to type them in right here and simply click next. Depending on the information that you typed in, sometimes Google might suggest some addresses for you. However, don't pick any of the addresses that are suggested. You want to choose none of these because you want to add your own address and click next. Now here they are going to ask you exactly where you are located. Now you need to place the pin at the exact location. So you're going to click next right here. Then here they're asking us, do you provide deliveries or home office visitation? Just say no. Here you need to add the contact details. Now like I've already mentioned, all the details that you're going to be adding will be provided to you by the customer. So you just need to change, let's say for example, if the person you are helping with adding the PIN is not from the United States, you just click right here and select their country, add the business phone number right here, and you just enter the website if they have it already. If they don't have, just simply click on the skip option and you can do this later on. The next thing is to start the verification process for that actual business so that they can see it's legit. Now they will require you to provide a phone number. Now this number that you provide right here will not be visible to the public, so here you just need to add even your own phone number as the one who's adding the business, because it has nothing to do with the actual business. This is just for verification. So just simply choose your country and here enter your phone number and you can simply click next. Now the next thing is to select a way to get verified. Now the easiest one is to simply get phone code via text. You can choose business video, so I'm just going to go with the phone code right here. So I'm just going to leave it at phone code right here and simply click next. And here Google asks us which method we're going to use. We're just going to leave it a text message, click next, and now Google will send a code to your phone and just need to type it right here. Now next is just to add the hours that the business is open for. Now like I already mentioned, these details you're getting them from the client, so just simply click Monday open, let's say Tuesday. You can even add the exact times and the likes. So let me just go right ahead and skip this. I can do it later on. Then here you can add the business description. Let's just skip it for the sake of this video, but I'm sure we get the gist of it. Now here you might want to add some pictures. Now it is important you add some pictures because when Google is doing the verification, they'll love to see that the actual physical location. So if you want to get approved fast, make sure that the client you are helping add that business provides you with some pictures of their location. Let's say once you provided those pictures, you just click next, or let's just go right ahead and skip this for the meantime. Just skip this, we're not going to advertise. Now here, get a custom domain, let's skip this. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. Now let's just go right ahead and click continue right here. So you can see now Google is saying your business is not visible to customers, and the reason being is that Google requires additional info to verify that you manage this business. When you add this information, Google will easily verify you. It can take 1 to 5 business days, but most of the times they verify within 24 hours and the business will become visible. The only time they will delay is maybe when they're asking for pictures for the actual location, and even if, let's say, when you send those pictures, it would only take 1 to 2 hours actually approving the business. So now what you're going to be doing for you to offer this service, you're going to reach out to businesses near you. All you have to do is simply search for, like, let's say, salons near me, hotels near me, mechanical shops. The more specific you are, the easier it gets. Sometimes some businesses will tell you to come through to their office so that you can discuss this further. Like I already mentioned, I've tried this before, and if I'm being honest with you, like the first client I actually got, I charged like $5 for this because, okay, I saw it like it's very easy to do. You just copy and paste information for them and the likes. However, what I advise you, don't charge too little and don't charge too high. Probably you'd want maybe to start off around maybe $50 or $100. Personally, I had the opportunity of charging more than $200 to a client, and the client said yes. You can simply send a personal message to a business, like for example, my name is Jones, I'm a digital marketing expert specialized in Google Maps. I help businesses by adding their location to Google Maps so that their customers can easily find them without having to go on call and ask for direction. If this is something that you're interested in or you'd like me to explain further, please reach out to me on this. You provide your contact details and the likes.